Hello friend, today I have a Camry 2005 model. Customer brought me, no crank, no start. No, I diagnose the car and see how to check. When I turn on ignition switch, no any electric in the dashboard, no any light on. First thing first, which test the battery. Maybe battery is die for any reason. The battery look like a new, but problem no, the battery is dead. What is the reason why the battery is dead? I show you later. This is the 0.39 volt. The battery is low. Now I put a charge in the battery 20 minutes and fix in the car and see the result. Where is a problem? Customer says this battery is fixed new before 15 days. So start the car and see the problem. For which thing create this problem? Ignition switch on but no battery light. When crank, the battery light is calm for 1 second and off. First thing first, we check power ground of the alternator. If power ground is good, then we check the alternator. The car is running, but voltage still low, 11.78. The alternator is not working. So I check power and ground in the alternator. This is the alternator. This is also new, but aftermarket alternator. This alternator aftermarket. How to check power and ground of the alternator. This is the main power wire. Put the tester in negative, power is good. So I check these 3 wires. Pin 1 is light and pin 2 ignition, pin 3 is battery positive. This is pin 2 ignition voltage and this is direct from the battery. This power and ground is good, everything is good. The first one for the light. This regulator background to the light. Problem in the alternator. Now I remove this alternator. This is aftermarket alternator. I fix this is 3-wire alternator. Now I fix 4-wire alternator in this car. I show you diagram how to fix 4-wire alternator, new model alternator in this car. Toyota RAV4 alternator, also same thing. This is 4-wire alternator. I fix. I show you the diagram how to fix 4-wire alternator. Pin 1 is B positive, the red one is ignition, pin 3 is not for use, and pin 4 for light. Pin 1 is battery direct, white, red ignition switch, 3 not to use, 4 for battery light. This is the diagram. I bypass this alternator, but Everything same, only difference this regulator connector. First thing first, ignition switch on and check the battery light is on. Okay, battery light is on. Start the car and see the battery light goes off. Now I test the multimeter, alternator is working or not working. 13 plus, alternator working good. Thank you for watching. Alternator working good. 13 plus is good alternator. Before 11 plus.